Starting po, sabi po nila 17.
17,000.
Opo, a month.
Tapos, tumaas.
Tumaas po nung parang binigyan po nila ako ng additional na trabaho, which is yung nagpipirma nga daw po.
So, in-increase niya lang yung sweldo mo.
Opo.
Ikaw ba ay, you may refuse to answer. Ikaw ba ay dalaga o may asawa?
Ano po yun, sir?
Ikaw ba ay may asawa o dalaga?
Single mom po.
Single mom. So, Mr. Chairman, the reason why I'm asking that because yung susunod na tanong is related dun sa income ni Miss Ronalyn. Ano? Miss Ronalyn, meron kang sasakyan.
Meron po.
Pwede bang malaman ano sasakyan mo?
Honda City po. Second hand lang po.
Honda City. Okay. Wala ka bang Ferrari?
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo.
Mr. Chairman, we have a video that will show that Miss Ronalyn Baterno is seen driving a red Ferrari. Kaya nga gusto kong malaman kung sa kanya yung Ferrari yun.
Pwede ba nating ipalabas siya na chairman na Barbers?
Pwede nating ipakita. I will show it to you later, Mr. Chair.
Siguro, while waiting sa dun sa video, may we ask as well, Ronalyn Baterna, I hope you don't mind, no, asking this, no? Because we wanted to dig deeper and ferret out the truth, no? So, single mom ka.
Yes po.
So, pwede ba malaman kung Filipino or Chinese yung tatay ng anak mo?
Filipino po.
Filipino siya.
Opo.
Okay. So, you have the birth certificate for that child. Can you kindly submit the birth certificate in this hearing? Can you submit the birth certificate?
Opo, sure po.
Please submit to this hearing, okay?
Opo.
Sige, thank you. So, we'll be showing the video.
Here's the video of the so, sino may-ari nung sasakyan na Ronalyn? Ronalyn mo siya? Ayan, pwede ba pakita yun sa ano? Sinong may-ari nung sasakyan? Miss Ronalyn, sinong may-ari nung sasakyan?
Please answer the question of Congressman Barbers, Ronalyn.
Hindi ko po nakikita, Your Honor. Okay po po.
Pwede ka bang lumapit dito para ipakita ko sa ito?
The resource person is requested to approach Congressman Barbers.
Okay, hindi pa wala tayo suspended. Ano? So, okay, can you kindly proceed, Congressman Barbers? Probably will not be showing the other video anymore because, ano eh,
Yes, Mr. Chair, I agree. Siguro we'll just provide the committee copies of the videos
sabihin na lang sa
So,
COMSEC para at least-
for our record.
Sige, okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Yes,
Yes, that's the next
you can
question.
proceed.
The next question na itatanong natin doon, nakita mo yung video, ikaw ba yung nasa video?
Yes po.
Ikaw din yung nagda-drive ng Ferrari.
Opo.
So, she admitted, Mr. Chair, that she's the one driving the vehicle. And the vehicle that she was driving is apparently, sinong may-ari ng vehicle?
Si Mr. Cruz po.
Mr.
Mr. Cruz.
Name.
What's the full name of Mr. Cruz?
Ruperto Cruz po.
Ruperto Cruz. Anong relationship mo kay Mr. Ruperto Cruz?
Parang friends lang po.
Friends lang, ha? Sige, Mr. Chair, I'll get back to her later. Let me just proceed. Let me proceed to my next question to another resource person, Mr. Chair.
So, friends, is he not the father of your son?
Hindi po.
Hindi,
So,
Sige, go ahead.
okay, so babalikan ko na lang si Miss Baterno.
Balikan